Enter through the arch, and as the curtain closes behind you, this exhibition seems to transform immediately into an experience. The room itself becomes a cavern, mysterious, mystical, and filled with opportunities for inquisitive minds to become absorbed. Fantasy is mixed with reality. Who looks outside dreams. Who looks inside awakes. Much thought has gone into presentation, which creates the illusion of boundaries being greater than they really are. Although quite dark, clever use of lighting ensures navigation and viewing are comfortable. A representation of the sky planted firmly on the floor is circled by mobile sculptures. The works of art hanging on the walls are each worthy of lengthy inspection, such is the intricacy of their content. Design of framing has been carefully thought through, and even the patterns and images on the walls themselves offer much more than the usual monocoloring typically effective at most other exhibitions. Watch the movie, where there is just so much going on, then watch again to see what you missed, and then maybe a few times more. The works of artist Panapast Teichamaitakool, who also thankfully answers to the name Yoon, are extremely popular and sought by collectors worldwide. After experiencing this exhibition, it's not too difficult to understand why. Concept, content, and presentation are of the highest order. The closing date is 2 months hence on the 19th of March, which fortunately gives ample time for return visits.